kids. I'm the Happy Hamster. I'm so happy to be joining you so that we can be together watching one of my favorite Kid PICS videos. It's just like a party. That's why I got all dressed up. So, how do you like my duds? Great, huh? Now let's get all cozy and comfy and get ready to watch some of our favorite cartoon friends. Best of all, we're here together, right? And before the fun starts, when the program is over, don't touch that dial, 'cause I'll be back with some of the most excitingest news. So let's get set for fun time. Lights, action, music, and I'll see you later. Hi, kids! Here I am again! I hope you had great fun watching your favorite cartoon friends on this video. Well, I've come here to make a very special announcement. Attention, attention! A proclamation! I, the Happy Hamster, am president of a new club, the Kid PICS Happy Hamster Club. And I'm inviting you to join me as official members. There are some very exciting times ahead for us, and we want you to be a part of it. We've got some great things for you as bonuses for joining. Starting out with this beautiful t-shirt with my picture on it. It will tell and show all of your friends that you're a member in good standing. You will also receive the Kid PICS newsletter, so you can be kept up to date with the newest releases and comings and goings of yours truly, and other members of the Kid PICS Happy Hamster Club. Oh, I just love the sound of it, don't you? And hey, that's not all. How about a beautiful full-colored poster with pictures of me and my pals? The cost for joining is just $10 plus $3 for mailing and handling. You say you want more? Okay, I'm just a sucker. You got more. What would you say if we include one of our new full-hour cartoon videos as an additional bonus, a $9.95 value? It's the best of Kid PICS and features Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, Porky Pig, Tweety Pie, hi Tweety, Casper the Friendly Ghost, Mighty Mouse, Donald Duck, and one of my favorites, Woody Woodpecker. Over 1 hour of great fun that I'm sure you'll be watching over and over again. So let's go over everything one more time. When you join, you will receive the Kid PICS newsletter, a full-colored Kid PICS poster, the beautiful Kid PICS t-shirt, and last but not least, the 1-hour Kid PICS video. The cost again is $10 plus $3 for postage and handling. Make sure the check for $13 is made out to the Kid PICS Club, 937 East Hazelwood Avenue, Rahway, New Jersey, 07065. And please enclose a picture of yourself, and if possible, a paragraph or two telling us a little bit about what you like and dislike, and whatever else you might like to write about. It's very possible we might be able to include this in one of our future newsletters. Oh, I can't wait to hear from you. And again, I just want to say welcome to the Kid PICS Happy Hamster Club.